This is Dr. Murchie. I want to show you the beginning. This is one of our first 3D prints. We printed a night guard, and what happens is it goes on the night guard and it prints gradually over time, and this took about 45 minutes. And there's a resin material down here that the print job comes out of, and then we have a curing process that we go through after that. Really cool stuff. We'll be able to make night guards, models, dentures, and surgical guides. Really exciting. This is our new 3D printer washer. It washes the night guards or other devices, dentures or models that we're doing, and it's got an alcohol bath and it scrubs it and cleans it up. Gets it ready for the next step. So this is the night guard after it's come off of the cleaner. And then we're going to do this part right here is called a build plate. We're going to be removing that, and we just kind of scrape it off. Oh, there it goes. This is what the night guard looks like. And the next step in the curing process, we put the night guard in this light curing device, and we'll select the type of tray that we're going to, material that we used. And then it's going to start curing in just a couple minutes. It makes it really hard, and then we're able to polish it. Alright, so what we've got here is we've got the curing light that is curing the processed 3D printed night guard. And it's pretty cool. It takes about 45 minutes to get that done. It's done under both heat and light, and it makes sure that everything is functioning and is hard and very hard and durable.